G20 is a critical body that for governance. One that just helps, especially during crisis times. G20 has also been quite vital, and especially in enhancing financial institutions, ensuring that if there is any challenge that the global community is facing, G20 has been vital in offering that leadership.
El G20 sirvió para tener una visión sistémica, especialmente inicialmente de los temas económicos, para poder coordinar las acciones de los distintos países para atacar las crisis económicas globales en conjunto.
I think G20 Summit plays a big role, in promoting global economic growth and enhancing global economic governance, especially economic globalization faces issues like protectionism, geopolitical conflicts, and even recovery across the nations.
A importância do G20 está nessa conexão entre o que se é discutido pelos líderes globais e o que é colocado em pauta e em prática por essas nações pós-encontro.